Namaste. So today we are going to check on this idli vessel. I bought it from Amazon. Uh, the cost of this idli vessel on the box is 2,899. I bought it on a discounted price for 1,899, and these are the things which came with it. So let us check. So it came with 6 plates. This one is for mini idli. This is called a patra stand, where we can make a patra plate where we can make momos, we can steam momos and all. And this is the dhokla plate, we can make dhokla. And these are the idli plates. So in one plate we can make 7 idlis. So if you are using all the 3 at a time, we can make 21 idlis in one go. So altogether we have 6 plates, and we have this kadhai. This is the kadhai which came with the idli plates. So this one is the lid. So it is quite strong. I like the thickness of the steel here. And this is a kadhai. It can be used for cooking also, and we can pour some water here and then put our plates as per our requirement, and cook. And I did see reviews on Amazon where customers said that the product is not of Cello brand, but here it's clearly mentioned it's Cello, and this has a steel bottom, so we can use it on induction as well as on our gas stove. So I am happy with the product because I find them to be a bit strong. The only thing what I'm worried is about the edges of these handles. They seem to be sharp. So if we are not careful, we may end up cutting our fingers while cleaning. And we can use 3 plates at a time. 3 idli plates at a time. 21 idlis in one go. One more thing what I noticed is the gap between these 2 plates are very less. So when we are making idli, like only this much of gap, less than an inch it seems. So when we are making idlis will puff up, they will raise. So chances are that they may get stuck with the other plate which is above them. So these are the 2 things I'm a bit worried about: the thickness or the thinness of the handles on the plates. We may end up cutting our fingers when we are cleaning, or we are not careful while we are using it. At the same time, they could have given bit more space, because idlis will rise up. They will raise, and when they are cooked, so they get double of their volume once they are done. So chances of the idli getting stuck with the upper plates or plate is more. So those are the 2 things I'm worried. I've not used it yet. I have just opened the package, and I'm very happy in what it looks like. Once I'll use it, I'll let you know how was the real experience with this product. But as of now, I'm happy. I'm very happy with this idli vessel which I bought from Amazon for 1,899 rupees, and it is of Cello brand. Thank you for watching.